Hello everyone, Roderick Calhoun here, and welcome to Shelter in Place, our cooking space. Today I wanted to share with everyone out there, the audiences and the listeners that tune in every day. I want to let you know why I created Shelter in Place, our cooking space. You know, some of us are not used to being sheltered in all the time. And during this pandemic that we're going through, and this time that we're going through, some people, when they're inside all the time, they have to deal with mental issues. Some people get depressed. And I understand that. And I feel that food, at least for me, brightens my day up. Picking out the ingredients, trying to figure out which wonderful meals I'm gonna make, how am I gonna put them together, and then what they're gonna taste like at the end. It really brightens up my day. And I am really hoping and praying that here at Shelter in Place, it'll do the same for everybody else, you know, that joins us or that views us or even interacts with us. Another reason is I really know for a fact that cooking meals brings families closer together. And if you're not a family, it can be friends, it brings you closer together. While you're preparing the meals, you're talking about certain situations or certain world events or, you know, things of different natures. And it's a bonding, it's a way of bonding. Again, throughout the videos, different videos and various videos that you'll see, we'll talk about the benefits of family dinners, the benefits of preparing family dinners for the kids and also for the family. We'll talk about some foods that are healthy. So, you know, some foods will be healthy, but I'm trying to get more on the healthier side, but some foods won't be. They'll just be because I love to eat them and they've been a part of my family and a part of my life and cooking experience, you know, since I've been born. So I really hope to bring a lot of different issues concerning food, concerning the benefits of food, and really pretty much just how fun it is to create meals at home, whether you're by yourself or with a partner or with anyone else. And so pretty much that's why I created Shelter in Place, our cooking space, for everyone to be able to share their cooking experience in all of our kitchens. And we share that with the world. How cool is that? Again, my name is Roderick Calhoun. Welcome to Shelter in Place, our cooking space. And I look forward to seeing you in your kitchen preparing wonderful meals real soon. Thank you.